Welcome to the Daily Affirmation Reading for May 13th, 2024, Earthly Connections. Honor the earth and your connection to it by engaging in sustainable practices that promote environmental health and your own well-being. Divine principle of the day. Honor the earth and my connection to it. Committing to actions that promote its well-being. Affirmation of the day. I engage with the earth respectfully and sustainably, understanding that my actions contribute to the well-being of the environment and myself. Chakra focus. Root chakra, Muladhara. Focus on the root chakra, enhancing your connection to the earth. Meditate on sustainable practices and reflect on how living in harmony with nature enriches your spiritual and physical presence in the world.